and windy conditions are making it dangerous for burning across the state. The Forestry Commission is lifting a red flag warning this morning, but first responders are still asking everyone to use extra caution. News 2's Katie Fangbangsa spoke to firefighters about these risks.
Local fire departments across the Lowcountry tell me they are on high alert as the fire risk remains elevated. Between January and April, South Carolina wildfire season is in effect. Low humidity and high winds make it easy for fires to start and spread quickly. And while there are no bans or official warnings in place today, firefighters in the Lowcountry are reminding everyone that the risk remains high.
Something like a red flag alert, that's just a strong warning saying, hey, the conditions are not good. We encourage you not to burn. It's not a ban, but it's them saying, don't make us say we told you so. So what we want to do is remind people that this time of year, just because that red flag has been lifted, the conditions still aren't good.
Over the weekend, something as small as a cigarette, the likely cause of a fire that spread to multiple structures in Charleston County.
Apparently it was a discarded cigarette in a backyard that led to some debris catching on fire, and it actually burned 2 structures on the property, and was because of the dry conditions and a little bit of wind we had that day, it was across 2 separate streets, and so it was a challenge for folks to get the lines on the one street and then cut the fire off to the other street.
And they say in rural areas, the fire risk is even more dangerous, as dense vegetation provides great fuel for fires.
Rural areas are high-risk areas where we have fields and wooded areas that have not been burned out in years, so that underbrush is just constantly decomposing in there, which enhances our fire load and puts our danger up at a higher risk.
First responders say they are ensuring they have adequate staffing and a brush fire unit on standby during this time. In Berkeley County, Katie Fangbangsa, Count on 2.